Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to change apps permissions on Motorola Moto G52. Let's go. Okay guys, so all we need to do is we go to settings, then we look for apps, which should be here as they are. Okay, then you need to guess what we do. We need to select an app we want to change permissions. For example, let's change the Google permissions. Okay, permissions. As you can see, what is allowed and what isn't. Calendar is allowed. Okay, let's click don't allow anyway. As you can see, it changed. Let's allow photos and videos. Okay, as you can see, it's allowed. Thank you guys for watching, because that's all. That's how you change apps on permissions on apps. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.